Conquer English, Mastering Phrasal Verb Patterns. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into a crucial aspect of English grammar: phrasal verb patterns and variations. Understanding phrasal verbs can really give your English skills a boost, making your language richer and more natural. So, let's dive in. Phrasal verbs are unique to the English language, consisting of a verb and a preposition or adverb, or both. When used together, the words take on a different meaning from the original verb. For example, turn on, or give up. Today, we'll be focusing on separable and inseparable phrasal verbs, and we'll learn to identify and use them correctly through exercises and practice. Separable phrasal verbs are those where the verb and the particle can be separated. You can insert an object between them. For instance, turn off the light, or turn the light off. Both are correct. Let's look at some examples. Turn off the computer. The computer is the object. Turn the computer off. The computer is the object. Try to come up with a few examples of your own. In contrast, inseparable phrasal verbs are those where the verb and the particle cannot be separated. The object always follows the particle. For example, look after the kids. You can't say, look the kids after. Some examples to consider: come across an old friend. An old friend is the object. Run into trouble. Trouble is the object. Again, take a moment to think of your own examples. Let's put our knowledge to the test with some exercises. 1. Fill in the blanks with a suitable phrasal verb. Please, blank, the light. It's too dark in here. I happen to, blank, an interesting article on phrasal verbs. Create your own sentences using these phrasal verbs. Put off, run out of, get along with. Remember, practice is key when it comes to mastering phrasal verbs. And there we have it, a quick dive into the fascinating world of separable and inseparable phrasal verbs. Keep practicing and remember to apply what you've learned in your everyday conversations. Every step you take towards mastering these patterns will bring you closer to fluency in English. Thanks for joining us today, and as always, keep up the great work and happy learning.